Introducing the Smeg hobs. Induction hobs with integrated extraction have become increasingly popular due to their neat, minimal, all-in-one design for contemporary living. This appliance combines fast and efficient induction technology. With integrated extraction, it's capable of instantaneously removing odours. Induction technology allows for precise temperature control, from boiling to simmering and even being delicate enough to melt chocolate directly in the pan. The zones on the Smeg hob are multi-zone, meaning that they can be used as two independent zones or combined to create one single zone, perfect for large dishes or even baking trays. Smeg's induction hobs are both safe and highly energy efficient. For more information on how induction technology works, please watch the video linked in the description. The hob is composed of a single piece of premium glass. Protected by a cast iron grille, the hob's extraction system allows the entire surface to appear completely seamless, allowing pans to move freely in between zones or used as an extension of the worktop. Smeg's innovative auto vent system connects the hob to the hood. This controls the extraction fan speed and automatically selects the power level depending on hob temperature. The motor has a low energy consumption as well as an aquaproof engine with a liquid collector. This ensures the appliance is simple to clean whilst containing accidental spillages. The compact motor ensures minimal space wastage below the work surface, ensuring there's plenty of room for drawers or cupboard space. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.